Okay, so another set of problems for your clutches. So marami tayo dito problems. I think I got this from the book of yung reviewer text, yung Fundamentals of Machine Design by Sir Bautista from UST. Okay? So ito, some of the problems are featured sa board exam. I can still remember some parts of the book nung ako'y board exam. So some of them talagang lumabas. So let's begin our solving ng problems with this problem number 7. So an engine, okay, of a motor vehicle with a wheel diameter. So you have a wheel diameter of 700 mm. Develops 60 kilowatts at 1,800 RPM. Determine the axial force on the clutch, that is FA. So axial force ay nahanap. In kilonewtons, the outside and inside diameters of the clutch are 250 and 220 Newton at 220 millimeters. There are 4 mating pairs, okay, of mating surfaces with a friction coefficient of 0.28. Now, alam natin that the basic formula for your clutches is power equal to Tn divided by factor. So, this torque is equal to yung friction coefficient multiplied to the number of clutches, okay? Number of mating pairs, tapos contact surfaces. So, Fn, tapos yung FARM. The problem here is, hindi binigay sa problem if it is a new or old clutch. So, we assume this is a new clutch. Uniform pressure. Okay? So, you'll use uniform pressure. Therefore, yung RM mo dito, kapag new, is 2/3 RO cube minus RI cube divided by RO squared minus RI squared. Okay. So you have that. For problem number 7. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin is FA. O, given naman lahat ng kailangan natin. So, pwede bang ganito gawin natin? P is Tn divided by factor. Take note, this is this clutch. Okay? Kaya wala ka talagang cone angle dyan. Tapos, i-substitute natin yung nasa torque, which is N, F, FA, RM times N. Divide by factor. Okay. So, ang kailangan ko dito is FA. Pwede ba i-reform ko siya in terms of FA? So, FA will be equal to power times factor divide by N, F, RM, N. Okay? That is for your FA. Pwede pa natin to expand. This will become power times factor divide by N, F, FA. Yung RM is 2/3 RO cube minus RI cube divide by RO squared minus RI squared. Yan. So, tapos, meron pang N. Okay? O nga pala, hinahanap natin si FA, kaya wala na si FA dyan. Take it out of the picture. Okay? So, N. Okay. Kuha tayo ng calculator. Yan. So let us put up the values. So FA is equal to power factor, okay? Yung power is 60 kilowatts. Kilowatts times factor na 9, 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3 Newton millimeter. Okay, copying ko na lang. I-move natin to. Ayan. Para hindi sagabal yung isa. Okay. Ayan na. Okay. So, Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatts divided by number of mating pairs. Sir, meron ka bang formula dyan? Tingnan natin yung formula natin. Ano nga yung ating sinabi dyan? That if sinabing number of contact surface, number of pairs as is, kapag meron kang number of clutches minus 1, okay? For these clutches. Okay. Ang sinabi dito, number of mating pairs. So, as is. You have 4 mating pairs. So, you have 4. 4 times. Yung iyong coefficient of friction is 0.28. 0.28 times 1,800 RPM. Multiply to 2/3. Yung RO and RI as is, gawin mo na lang mm yun. Okay? Huwag mo na lagyan ng unit sa loob para hindi marami yung tawag dito, isulat mo. Basta tatandaan mo, yung lalabas sa RM, always singular na unit, which is mm lang. So you have 220 tsaka 250. 250 cube minus 220 cube divide by 250 cube squared. Renal natin. Squared minus 220 squared. Tapos mm. Ay, cancel all same units. Si si kilowatts, RPM. Newton na matitira. So you have to multiply it with, okay, para maging kilonewton. So 1 kilonewtons divide by 1,000 newtons. So cancel same units. Newton. Ang kailangan ko is kilonewton. Correct. Meron na tayong FA ngayon. So FA is equal to, calculate the values, 60 times 9549123. Tapos lahat na nasa baba, 1,000 times 4 times 0.28 times 2 divided by 3 times, okay? Yan. So, 250 cube minus 220 cube, 250 squared minus 220 squared. So, the answer is, wala pa yung ating RPM na 1.8. 1.20. Op! May napansin ako. Radius ata to. Eh, naka-diameter. Ayun, diameter. Sorry naman. Naduling. Okay? So, this will become 250 divided by 2, 125. 125 and 110. So, 125 cube, 110. 125 cube squared, 110. Baguhin natin sa calculation natin. So, 60 times 9549123. Divide by 4 times 0.28 times 1,000 times 1,8 times 2 divided by 3 times 125 cube minus 110 cube divided by 125 squared minus 110 squared. So the value is, sakto yan, 2.415, approximately 2.42 kilonewtons. Basic. For that problem. So next problem, a larger diameter and face of the disc of a multiple disc clutch are 25 and 20. Ano ba yung face of the disc? Okay, drawing natin. So ito yung disc. Okay? Yung clutch mo, hindi naman buo yan eh. Meron ka ritong lalagyan ng bolts. Spring dyan. So ito yung outside diameter mo, from here to here. Ito yung face. You call that as the width of the face. Okay? So, paano malalaman yung inside diameter? Basic yan. So, DO is equal to DI plus twice nung face width. Okay? Or W. So, you want to know DI. DI is equal to DO minus 2W. Ganun lang yun. Okay? So, the load applied to the spring of the clutch actually is 1,500 newtons. Now, kapag sinabing spring, diba, during your MD1, pwede mo makuha yung spring force or the axial force on the spring. By what equation? Yung 8KFC, pwede dun. Or yung 8FC cube. Depende if magbibigay siya ng stress dun sa spring or simply magbibigay siya ng deflection of the spring. A maximum deflection of spring. It will result to a force axial. Okay? So, recall niyo yung spring nyo. You may watch the videos on YT. So, assuming that there are 8 pairs. Okay? 8 pairs of friction. So, as is yan. So, the friction is 0.18 turning 800 RPM. You find the power transmitted by the clutch for number 8. For number 8, the power is equal to N FA. So, lagay ko dito F, FA RM times N. Divide by factor. So, power is equal to, okay, wala sinabi if the clutch is new or old. So, you have to know yung DI. So, DI is equal to yung DO mo, that is, I think, 225. Okay? 225 minus 20. 2 times 20. Okay, so that will become 225 minus 40. That is 185. DI yan, ha? So, 185 mm. Okay. So, power factor as is na yan. So, F is 0.18. Pasok mo na lahat ng value. Times N, number of mating surfaces is 8 pairs times N. N is 800 and FA is 500, 1,500. 1,500 newtons, 800 RPM. Tapos the factor 9549 1, 2, 3 Newton millimeter RPM. Divide by kilowatt. Times, okay, you assume this is new clutch, kaya 2/3 pa rin. So 2/3. So DO is 225, DI is 185. 225 divided by 2, that is 112.5. So 112.5 cube minus 185 divided by 2, that is 92.5 cube. Ayun na yan. 112.5 squared minus 92.5 cube mm. So cancel same units. Start ka kay Newton, Newton. RPM, kilowatt yan. Aangat ngayon yung kilowatt mo kasi nasa nasa tawag dito, numerator tsaka denominator. So denominator pa rin siya doon kaya magiging reciprocal siya. So power is equal to, pindutin sa calculator, 0.18 times 8 times 1,500 times 800. Divide by 9549123 times 2/3 times 112.5 cube, okay, minus 92.5 cube, tapos 112.5 squared minus 92.5 squared. So power is 18.6074 kilowatts. Check natin 13 lang. So bakit kaya naging ganun? Ang ginamit ko na dito is RM. What if we use old clutch? Uniform pressure, Tama naman, new clutch. Sabi niya, uniform pressure. Bakit kaya naging ganun? 0.18. What if 0.28 ang nilagay ko dito sa baba? Minultiply ko ng 0.28. Lalaki pa rin eh. So, saan kaya nagkamali dito? Okay naman. So, okay naman siya. Let's get back na lang kapag 8 pairs. What if 7 pairs siya? Minus 1. 8. 6 lang ba? 8. 6 ba to o 8? Tignan natin baka daduling lang ako. Ayun nga, 6. 6 pairs. Eh, hindi ko nakikita eh. 8 ata to or 6. Eh. So anyway, kung 8 ginamit natin, as is yan. Okay? So let us continue our discussion for problem number 9. This is a block clutch problem. Meron kang designated na formula for block clutch. Now, in order for you to know what is a block clutch, ayan o. This is a block clutch. Ito yung block na tinatawag dyan. In contact with the turning wheel. Now, if you release it, ay ibig sabihin, wala kang friction. Kapag naka-engage siya, may friction ka. Okay? So, ito yung problem. A black clutch has 4 wooden shoes, each contacting with 80 degrees of this inside of a 13-inch drum. The coefficient of friction is 0.4. The maximum contact pressure is not to exceed 40 psi. This clutch is to transmit 20 HP and 280 RPM. You determine the required width of the shoes. Okay? So, dalawa yung torque na measurement mo dito. The transmitted torque and then if there is in terms of the maximum pressure na ibibigay. But in this case, merong binigay na maximum pressure which is 40 PSI. Okay? Highlight natin yung mga given. Okay. So, pwede mong gamitin itong torque transmitted na to if, linawan natin torque is equal to 4F R times yung R mo, the radius of the contact, tapos sine theta divide by 2. Divide by theta plus sine theta. Now, ito naman, if given yung maximum pressure, Pmax ang tawag, so, torque is equal to 2 times F times Pmax times W, that is the width of the clutch, R squared sine theta divided by 2. Ang kailangan ko dito is the width of the shoe. So, lista natin, ano ba yung power formula natin dyan for number 9? Power is Tn divided by factor. Based sa ating maximum pressure, yung torque natin pwede nating palitan. 2F, okay, 2F Pmax times WR squared sine theta divided by 2N divided by factor. Yan. So, power will be equal to, ang kailangan ko dito is W. So, W na agad tayo dumiretso. Pwede naman, di ba? So, W is equal to power times factor divide by 2F Pmax R squared, hindi yan RM R squared, sine theta divided by 2 times N. So, W is equal to, yung power na binigay dyan is 20 HP. 20 HP times factor 63025 pound inch RPM every HP. 2. Coefficient of friction is 0.4. PSI 40 pound per inch squared. Tapos, yung R inside of a 13-inch drum, so that is diameter divided by 2. 6.5 to. 6.5 inch A squared sine 40 na lang to kasi 80 divided by 2. Okay? Times yung RPM natin, it is running at a speed of 280. 280 RPM. Calculating the value, cancel mo na same unit, RPM, RPM, HP, HP, pound, pound, inch squared, inch squared. Okay? So, ang natira, inch na lang. Therefore, W is equal to 20 times 63025 divided by 2 times 0.4 times 40 times 6.5 squared times sine 40 times 280. The answer is 5.1801 inch. Tingnan natin if that is correct. Bakit kaya naging ganun? I don't know. Okay? Required width of the shoes. So, R dyan. Ano ba yung R? Radius of the drum. Okay? Radial force. Pero ba binigay na radial force? Wala naman. P maximum nga ang binigay. 40 PSI. Check natin. If you will divide it, okay? Ilan nga yung binigay na faces? Black Latch has 4. Okay? 4 wooden shoes. Divide natin ng 4. Uy. Equal to. Divide by 4. The answer is 1.295. Each block. Okay? So, ito yung total power. Okay? Total width. Okay? Sa total width, okay, madidivide yan. So, the width there is yung nakuha mong total, divide mo ng 4. Kasi 4 eh. 4 na wooden block. So, this will become 5.1801 divided by 4. This is equal to 1.295 inch. Okay?